Okay, so in this part, like as I promised you in the first part, I'm going to show you on how to take this audio muted one, or take out, get it out, and so that I can listen to this audio that I have underneath. Let me show you what I mean by that. So let's play it. So as you see, you might not be able to hear it, but there is one video, there is some audio also playing from, the audio is playing from both two, from both of them, from this one plus from this audio. I mean by that is, again, I can show, let me say this here, and that's the same thing, and let's say this. See here, if I were to bring it here, this guy top, so they clashing. So they're clashing. It's not a good. It's not rhythmic. It's because of the two different type of songs playing at the same time. So that's what I said. I wanna suppress the audio that's coming up this video. How do I do that? One is to here there's a line here. If you see here, there's a line that's showing me this is the audio that's connected with this video or this part of the video. So for that I can drag it in, slow it all the way down. Now it is the volume that's coming out of this video is 0. So it means it's just a motion, not fully audio. So here. Now what I see is the audio is gone. Okay, now let's play them. I brought it back. See, it's very disturbing. That's why, because the two audios are playing at the same time. So the other way that I can show you how to get rid of it is, the other one actually is for good. I mean, in general, yes, not fully for good, but something that if you want to get rid of it for good. What I mean is detaching. If you do right click here, you will see detach audio, which means I want to take the audio, or I want to treat the audio separately from the video. So it means a motion and audio. Look at that. So what you see here is this audio is now detached from here. As you see, there is no audio sign here now. The one I was using to drag down and up. So I have to. This is what I have. So what I can do for here is either, again, I can just suppress the volume, or I can delete it. That's what we need essentially at this time, for example. So now it's going well. So this is how I would take the audio that was part of the movie, so that I can use another audio along with the motions that I have. So I hope this is helpful. In the next video, like I said, I'll show you on how to adjust this one as well. As you see here, look at this. So this motion is now covered by this whatever item that I added on top of it. So that's how the iMovie also show it. But again, stay tuned in the next part. In the next part, I'll show you on how to place it in the right location, where you can see this other motion side by side as well. Thanks so much. See you in the next part. Bye.